Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today video I'll show you how to create the staircase, customized staircase by creating sketch. Okay, we have already levels, level 1 and level 2. Our base level is level 1 and top level is level 2. Okay, now I'll go to the level 1 and I'll make the stair, go to stair and I will choose the staircase monolithic. Okay, edit, duplicate. Okay, perfect. Now I'll give here how many step units. Can see how many races. Okay, I will give it 24. It will system will automatically generate here. If you give the stair number, racer number, it will automatically generate. Now its our racer height is 160. Okay, now we'll go here. This is a create sketch. Okay, if you click there, the three options will come here: boundary, racer, and stair path, and some shape to the draw the staircase. Okay. These are very important. These three things are very important. Okay. First, I will go to the boundary. I will create the shape of the limit of the stair, boundary of the stair. Okay. The system will show the eraser how many remain here. Okay. It's already showing 25 remaining. Okay. Now I will check the dimension here. 3 minutes. Perfect. Okay. Now I will 1,200 for the stair flight width. Okay. Now 3 minutes. I'll check the dimension. 490. So now I'll go to the right hand. I'll create the right. I'll go to the options. Yeah, 300 is already there. I'll make 300, 300, 300. I'll copy some. Okay. Now 12 is remaining. I'll make another 3 here. One space. You can use what size you want, what shape you want. You can make it. Okay. This is for the regular staircase. Okay. Now we have 9 remaining. I'll choose here mirror. Okay. Now one is it's minus one now. One is extra. I'll remove this one. Go here and trim it. Boundary with the razor line. Okay. Next is very important. We need to provide the step path. Step path from the first razor to the last razor. Okay. I will go here. Step path. I'll use the line tool. Click here. Click here. Click here. Okay. Now I will go to the finish button. Okay. Now perfect. Star is created. I will go to 3D view. See, we don't want the handrail now. Sorry. Okay, this is the normal cast inside stair, monocoque stair. Oh, it's already a house. I'm nothing here. Okay, I'll remove it. Okay, I will edit staircase. First, go here, run type, nosing profile. I'll give here 0 default. Okay, now perfect. Okay, now we need to create the stair, tread, racer, and nosing and everything. Okay, before that, I will go to the plan. We have the need to show the section. one section, go to view. Yeah, it's perfect now. Now I'll go. Okay, I'll go to stair. Okay, edits, uh, price of height maximum. This one on it. We already adjusted. Go here, run type. This is a if you give step one, it will give step staircase. If you give more, that's 300. Okay, now I will go for the smooth and this one 200. Okay, perfect. Now I will make the staircase plug and races. If you click here, yeah, before that you can create the material for the. Can use some paints. Okay, I'll give one wall paint. I'll give white. It's perfect. Okay, this is the view. Okay, now again I will go to the runtime. Thread thick threads. I'll give 300 for the stair thread thickness. Thread profile and once nosing I'll give 300. 25 mm. Okay, I'll give nosing profiles. Cell radius 20 mm radius. Okay, apply. Yeah, now we have the thread material and thread material. I choose like it's automatically came. We can put here threads. Okay, I'll go for stones. Okay, perfect. And this already I given before. That's why it's coming automatically. Now you can go here, riser, riser thickness 200. Okay, 20 cm. Sorry, 20 mm. Mm, go here. Give any material for risers. Stones. Okay, I'll give this one. No, this one. Connected. It's perfect. If you apply, it will come automatically. I'll change this color. It's not looking good. Stone. Okay. Okay. It's perfect. Now it's everything fine. Now landing type. I'll give it 200 again. Can give material. Same as from. Okay. Gotcha. Now everything fine. See how the staircase look like. If we go to the okay. See this is our staircase. Perfect now. Okay. Now see the perfect staircase. Okay. Thank you for watching.